So let me tell you something that most RV owners never hear. If your space heater has never tripped a breaker, that's usually when damage is actually happening. And that's the dangerous part because RV electronic damage rarely starts with a loud noise. No sparks, no alarms, no warning about it at all. By the time you notice the repair is already expensive. I'm a certified mobile RV technician, and every winter I get the same call. Nothing happened, and then everything stopped. Nothing worked. And almost every time, a space heater was involved. This is not supposed to be a scary video, and I'm not telling you to throw your heater away. But if you don't understand what it's doing electricity, you're trusting luck. And here's the assumption that gets RV owners in trouble. People think an RV electric system works like a house. It doesn't, not even close. And this one misunderstanding explains most of the damage I see. A house might have 200 amps available. Most RVs have 30 or 50 amps. That's your space heater pulls 1200 to 50 watts. That's about 10 to 20 amps continuously. Your computer is charging your batteries, your refrigerator's on electricity, your water heater's on, and your microwave. And nothing dramatic happens, no breakers trip. Just heat builds up slow where you can't see it. This next part really matters because this is why outlets melt, but breakers stay on. Electric systems don't fail from moderate use. They fail from heat, and space heaters create the worst kind of heat. No spikes, consistent load, hour after hour after hour. Inside RVs, I regularly see loose outlet connections, backstab receptacles, long wire runs, light duty components, all common, all legal, all fine until stressed. This is where people get confused. Breakers protect against shorts. They don't protect against outlets from slow, overly heating, so breakers stay on while the outlets cook. If you're going to use one heater only. Plug it directly into the wall, no extension cords. Watch your voltage and never leave it unattended. That lowers your risk and it doesn't eliminate it. Breakers aren't evil, but RV electronic systems are unforgiving. If outlets feel warm, power flickers, or breakers act strange, that's not normal. That's your warning.